In this section, I'm going to apply chamfer to my padding. So to do this, I can go to Dress Up Features, Toolset, and select chamfer, and it has only one type of chamfer, or I can go to Insert menu and go to Dress Up Feature and find chamfer here. This is easier, I guess. And now you can see that we have two different types of chamfer. I'm going to show you how I can apply this chamfer to your shape. First of all, I'm going to select the line to apply the chamfer. This is the line that I'm going to select. You can of course apply chamfer to faces, and every adjacent line is going to apply chamfer to it. So first of all, let's select this edge line. You can see that I have a direction of chamfer that is like a small arrow here. If I click on this small arrow, or if I go and put the check mark on the reverse check box here, it will be reversed. So I'm not going to make it reverse, but I'm going to change the values that I see here. First of all, I can see that I have two different modes. One of the modes apply length to one side and angle to the other side. The other mode applies length to the both sides. I'm going to add a length of about 20 millimeters, and the angle is 45. That's okay. You can see a preview of what it's going to look like. So I click on preview, and you can see that this part of this is going to be cut, and finally we'll receive such a chamfer here. So if you are not happy with that, double click on the chamfer so that the chamfer dialog box opens again. If you are going to change the angle, you can change this here. I'm going to make this about 60 degree, and I'm going to apply it in a reverse point. I want to have the 60 degree in one side and the 20 millimeter in the other side. So I click on reverse and I click OK. You can see the chamfer is going to change again. If you're not happy with the selection of objects to chamfer, you can go and clear the selection. Some of the dialog box have a right click ability on objects, and in that right click you can see that a clear selection is present. Some of them do not have like this. You can see a small button here. If you click on this, the objects that you have selected appear in this dialog box. So I click here and remove it. Now you can see that there is no selection. Now I can add selection to my object. Now I'm going to add a face. If I select this, you can see that every adjacent line is going to be selected, and chamfer is going to apply to all of them. So I click OK. You can see that chamfer is applied to every adjacent line that is possible. Now this is the chamfer and easy to work with.